Known children, see the question I'm going to shoot you that can you imagine a day without a sun? Yes, of course. We experienced some of the days recently, the 2 month or 3 month before continuously raining of 2 weeks or 3 weeks. We couldn't see the sun properly after almost 1 hour. But here, there was a 7 years continuously raining for 7 years. Where it could be? Obviously, the planet Venus. See, here is a science fiction story that tells the theme of life on Venus, the other planet, which as of today is not possibility, right? Continuously 7 years raining, is it possible? But here that is why it is called as a science fiction novel, science fiction short story written by Bradbury. See, look at the lines here. First, ready, I'm going to read the lines. Ready, now, soon. Do the scientists really know? Will it happen today? Will it? So, what? The scientist already predicted that after 7 years, the sun will show just only 1 hour on the planet. On the planet Venus. So, that is the day of. So there are the school is running on the Venus planet. The children are there. It is a story that some of the school children who is never seen the sun, but there is only one girl who saw the sun because she moved out there before 5 years ago. So when she was at 4, she was at 4, she moved from USA. She could know that how the sun is look like. Her name is Margaret. But other children, they so far in 7 years they are living in the. 7 years. It is finished. They lived on Venus planets. They couldn't see how the sun looked like. But she 4 years she could have very rare remember how the sun could. So this is what this summary is going to tell you. So the class is going in the classroom. Okay, classroom in the planet of Venus. The children pressed to each other like so many roses and so many weeds intermixed, peering out for a look at the hidden sun. So, how the story starts? The children in the classroom they pressed like roses. They just press on their chest roses like many weeds. Weeds mean plants, and looked. Peering out means looked out of the window at the hidden sun. Hidden sun means they imagine that they expected the sun will rise on that day. Already scientists assured the sun will predicted the sun will come on that day, but it was a rained. It rained. It had been raining. See, look at the paragraph. It had been raining for 7 years, thousand upon thousand of days compounded and filled from one end to the other with rain. With a drum and gush of water, with a sweet crystal fall of showers, and the concussion means confusion of storms so heavy that they were tidal waves come over the islands. 1,000 forests had been crushed under the rain and grown up 1,000 times to be crushed again. And this was a way of life forever on the planet Venus. And this was the schoolroom of the children of the rocket men and women who had come to the raining world to set up a civilization and live out of their lives. So, as I said, it was 5 years after they went the rocket men and women to set up a civilization on the planet Venus. They gone there along with the teacher masters. It was a continued whenever they gone they started of their journey. It was full of rainy days because 7 years. I told you that 7 years continuous rain. So how the planet could be all the forest, the ocean, almost the only they living in a rocket, it was their classroom. Apart from their spaceship, all other things is full of completely water. So that was the paragraph here. It was 1,000 days of compounded and filled one end to another end, full of water, forest, the plants, the ocean. That was a tidal ocean, very large oceans. The gush of water, sound, everything is there. Thus, people, the students are now. Somebody says, "It is stopping. It is stopping." Another said, "Yes, yes." Next, there is a girl who just moved 4 or 5 years ago. The girl name is Margaret, right? Margaret stood apart from them, from these children who could ever remember a time when there wasn't rain and rain and rain. They were all 9 years old. If there is had been a day 7 years ago, the sun came out for an hour and showed its face to the stunned world, and they could not recall. Sometimes at night she heard them stare in remembrance, and she knew they were dreaming and remembering gold or yellow crayons or a coin large enough to buy the world with. She knew she knew means Margaret knew. They thought they remembered the warmness like a blushing in the face, in the body, and the arms and the legs and the trembling hand. But then they always awoke the tattling drum and the endless shaking down of clear bead necklace upon the roof, the walk in the gardens and the forest, and their dreams were gone. See, here is the paragraph that Margaret stood apart from them. Means these people, you know, other children are just waiting for looking at the sun, but she know how the sun looked like, because the students are 9 years old, though she just moved 5 years ago. So at the age of 4 she could feel the sun, how it looked like with the colors of yellow, and it looked like a large coin. She's from USA, right? And the feeling of warmness, and it will be blushing on her face like a sunbeams touches their face, how it looked like, everything she know. That is what, see, this is a remembrance of sun in her thought. Next, all day, so, yesterday, all day yesterday they had read. Before the day, the teacher, I'll just describe. The teacher asked to write a small story, essays and poem on that particular topic of sun. So no one is know about how the sun look like, but here, Margaret write that, I think the sun is a flower that blooms for just 1 hour. She, what she know that, the sun is like a flower and it comes for just 1 hour. It flowers. It blooms. It give blossoms for just 1 hour. Everybody just laughed and teasing at that. No, this is not correct, and you didn't write that. Protested one of the boys. One boy said that, no, you were written a wrong poem. But Margaret said, yes, I did. It means I have done the poem. William, said the teachers. The teacher is called William. That means no teasing the Margaret. But that was yesterday. Now the rain was slackening. Slackening means just going to stop. And children were crushing out of the great thick windows. Where is the teacher? She'll be back. She'd better hurry. She'll miss it. So just was outside of continuously 7 years raining. So everybody just want to move and looking at the window. How when the rain is will stop and the sun will rise, but teacher is not there. Teacher just going to come. They turned on themselves. They're looking at each other with a feverish wheel, all trembling spokes. Margaret stood alone. She only stood alone. She was very very frail, weak girl, a kind of very soft. Frail means very soft girl who looked as if she had been lost in the rain for years. Why she has been lost? She was earning. Everybody was earning to experience the sunbeams. That is why she had lost in the rain for years, and the rain had washed out of the blue from her eyes, and the red from her mouth, and the yellow from her hair. So it was just the appearance of a Margaret. It was how she looked like. She was a portrait of old photograph dusted from album. She was looked like away, whitened away. Her freshness, a tender look is gone away, and as if spoke all at all, a voice would be a ghost. Now she stood separate. She's standing all alone, staring at the rain and loud wet world beyond the huge class. Loud wet world. Wet world means the full of water. Only in their classroom underground, there was underground classroom was very dry. Other places are full of continuously 7 years rains. How it could be the planet? It could be almost an island. The same way. William is one of the student asked, what are you looking at? Margaret said nothing. She didn't speak. She know that she's going to experience the sunbeams. She's going to see the sun. Speak when you're spoken to. Some boy said, when somebody is asking question, he has to reply. But he gave her a show. Show means a push. Since she is not respond to the boy William, he gave, just means He pushes our Margaret, but she did not move. Rather, she left herself be moved only by him and nothing else. They edged away. They edged away from her. They would not look at her. She felt them go away, and this was because she would play no games. Why these people, students, are behaving in a rather different way? Because she was never joined with any group when they were play games with them, echoing tunnels and underground of the city. If they tagged her and ran, she stood blinking after them, and she did not follow. When the class sang songs about happiness and life and games, her lips barely moved. See, I think she's completely earned for the earth. Uh, because at the age of 4, she know the difference between Earth, USA, Earth and the Venus, the planet Earth and the Venus. So whenever the boys and girls from the planet Venus asked her to play and sing a song, she never opened her mouth. Only when they sang about the sun and summer did her lips move. See what when she will give her participation contribution. Only they started to sing about the song and topic about the summer. Summer means always a heat, the sun. And then, of course, the biggest crime of all, what she had done come here for only 5 years ago. The earth, yes, this was the biggest crime according to their friends. She remembered the sun and the way the sun was and the sky was when she was 4 in Ohio, right? And they they had been on Venus all their lives, and because other children are completely they are living in their 7 years in the Venus, they know. But she just 5 years before moved. She know the difference of the sun. I mean the sky and the sun from the earth. And they had been on Venus all their lives. They had been only 2 years old when the last sun came out just for 1 hour. It shows it was very rare to remember the sun. But Margaret remembered. She described that just only one said the sun looked like a penny. Other children said that no, it is not. The sun it not look like a penny. And again, she said it is like a fire on the stove. The heat, fire on the stove means the heat she is describing. But here, another other boys are cried that she is lying. But another paragraph I'm going to describe. But she remembered and stood apart from all of them and watched the patterning regular windows. And once the month ago she had refused. This is the again reason completely. She refused to take a shower in the school shower room because she closed her ears because of the water level. She closed her ears, eyes, and keep the hand on her head and completely said that water should not touch me like this. She's completely it refused to take shower, and this is another reason that she's completely avoid them. They completely avoid them, so that the father and mother said that if she didn't take a bath at the school shower, the father and mother completely taken away to the earth, take her back to the earth. It seemed to her that they do so. They thought it would mean the loss of thousands of dollars to her family. Maybe the money lost to bring back to the Venus to some kind to bring back to the Venus and the earth. It make a lot of money. And so other children hated for all these reasons, because of not playing with them, because of not taking shower, because of not listening the fathers and parents words, because of all these reason other children completely hate them. And they hated her pale snow face, her waiting silence, her thinness, and the possible future. For all this reason, other children completely hates her. Get away. The boy gave her another push. What are you doing for? She was standing all alone in the one side window for waiting for the sun. Other boys and girls are completely waiting to look at the sun in one side. Then for the first time she turned and looked at him, and what she was waiting for in her eyes, and shows that why she was waiting there. Well, don't wait around here, cried the boy savagely. You won't see nothing. The boy said, why are you waiting? You can't see anything. She said. Her lips moved. Nothing, he cried. It was all joke, wasn't it? He turned to the other children. Nothing. What is meant by nothing? It was joke. The sun won't come out today, but nothing happened today, is it? the scientist. They all blinked at him and then, understanding, laughed and shook their heads. Nothing, nothing. See what he want to say, because they want the Margaret to move away, because they're all planning that they cannot, they could see nothing on that day. So other boys also joined. Yes, yes, today's sun will not come. Margaret, you go. Just they want to shoo them, shoo Margaret away. Oh, but Margaret whisper. Margaret say that the scientists predict the sun will come today, just 1 hour. The boy said that will be a joke, and sees her roughly. Hey, everyone puts her closer. They all now all other children were planned to close the door. Just close it. Close it means. Until we open the door, they cannot come out. You know that kind of closet, and Margaret is falling back. Finally, what happened? Margaret is just pleading and falling back, moving back, that she cannot get into the closet. No, no. But boys, they just searched about her and caught her up and bore her, protesting, getting fight, and in a tunnel. Just they all put the Margaret into the some closet door. They stood looking at the door and saw it tremble from her beating and throwing herself against it. They heard a muffled cries. Because she was muffled means moaning voice, whispering, murmuring voice, and then all smiling. Then smiling, they turned and went out to the back again. The tunnel to just looking at the door, looking at the window. The teacher said. The teacher asked, "Are you ready, children?" All children are said yes. The teacher again asking, "Are all there?" Again, the students said yes, but after some moment, the rain slacked still more. The huge crowd, there was a huge crowd, means student crowd only, and the rain stopped, as if how it was, as if the mist of film concerning an avalanche is a place in snow slide, panicharivi in Tamil we says, right. So a tornado and a hurricane, volcano eruption, something had first gone wrong with the sound of apparatus, the muffling, the finally cutting all of noise. So far they heard the how the planet looked like. It's avalanche, tornado, sometimes hurricane, storm, volcanic eruption, all has happened. But once the rain stopped, everything was gone wrong, and the blasts and repercussions, that it's unwelcomed efforts, thunders, and then second ripped the film from the projector and inset it. Beautiful tropical soil which was not move had a tremor as a shake. The world ground startled. All those things were gone. How it was look in a negative and very very disaster things, it was all gone, and the world now ground to stand still. The silence was so immense and unbelievable that you felt your eyes has been stuffed, or you had lost your hearing altogether. The children put their hands and their ears just eagerly. What this paragraph says, all those volcanoes, eruptions, that all kind of disasters gone. Now the world is getting slowly silence, getting silent, and the smell of the silent waiting for world came into that finally the sun came out. Next paragraph is explaining the appearance of the sun. As the Margaret says, it was a flaming bronze, and it like a penny. It's a round shape, the color of a flaming bronze column. It was like a blazing blue. And now jungle means the forest. 1,000 forests were crushed under the water before 7 years. Now the the jungle was under the sunbeams. Here released from the spell, rushed out and yelling into the springtime. Now the teacher has called them, don't go, not to go to so far, and they have only 2 hours. Actually sun will rise up only for 1 hour, but the teacher said 2 hours because they have to come. She is warning, she's giving warning again and again not to go so far. But they were running and turning their face up. They're looking at the sun, and showing the face and removing their shirts to look at the dress. Taking the sun warms before their jackets, overcoats. And oh, some boy said it was better than the sun lamp lights, and somebody says it's much much better. And finally, they stopped running and stood in the great jungle that covered Venus. Grew and never stopped growing tumultuously, even disruptively. Even I watched it. It was a nest of octopi. They started describing the sun. It was a nest of octopi, octopus. The plural form, clustering of great arms of flesh like a weed wavering flowers in this brief spring. It was the color of rubber and ash. This jungle, from so many years without a sunlight, was a color of stone. So before the forest, it was a color of stone. But now they started feeling even the spring. The world and the jungle was look like flowers, colorful flowers, best spring. And they said white cheeses and ink, and it was the color of moon. Now it was the color of moon, the white. The children lay out laughing on the jungle mattresses, and they're enjoying. They ran among the trees, and they slipped, and they dived. Whenever they get that, within that 1 hour they're playing a lot, but they completely squinted their eyes into the sea. Squinted means kannu suringi, no, that is called in Tamil we says nalla kannu surikki paapom இல்லையா, that is at the sun until tears they ran down their faces. They put their hands up to that yellowness and that amazing blueness. They breathed the fresh hair, some kind of listened and listened to the silence completely. They're completely enjoying. That is what here. They looked at everything and savored everything. They looked at means they're looking at the sun, and savored means enjoyed. Then wildly, like animals escaped. How the wild animals, we opened the door, they could enjoy that outside. At the same way, they all ran for 1 hour. They did not stop for running. And then midst of their running, one girl is shouted that everybody stopped, and she's handing, having one raindrop on her hand. That means the 1 hour is over. She began to cry. Everybody is began to cry. They looked at the sun quietly. The sun was gone. A few cold drops fell on their noses and their cheek and their mouth. And suddenly the sun faded behind the stir of mist. The wind. All of a sudden, the sun will stay on 1 hour. So after then, again the Venus planet looked like a dark cloud. Means without sun, how the sky would be? It would be dark, and started raining completely. After the boom of thunder started again, it like leaves before the new hurricane. How it looked like, they started their regular life, but they enjoyed that 1 hour they ever seen in their 7 years life, 5 years life. Everybody, after the teachers, the lightning struck comes 10 miles away, and 5 miles or 1 miles and half miles from their rocket, and the sky darkened into midnight as a flash again. They stood in a doorway of the underground, for a moment until it was raining hard. They never remembered what happened in the closet door. It was a gigantic sound come out from that avalanche. Everywhere and forever. Will it be 7 year more? They are discussing that, just another we want to see the sun. It would be have it take 7 years. Somebody said that Margaret, what? She's still in the closet where she locked. Margaret, they stood as if someone had driven them like so many stakes into a floor. They looked at each other and then looked away. They glanced out the world. There was raining now and the raining now steadily. They could not meet each other glances. Their faces were solemn and play and pale. They looked at their hands and feet, their faces down. So what happened? She is the only girl who know the sun, and she's very eagerly waiting. But everybody, the students, the children in the planet on Venus, pushed in the closet. They have been enjoyed. The children were enjoyed, but she was still in the closet. The children never opened the door. After then, they forgot, and some girl said, Margaret, no one is moved. Go on, whispered the girl. It means go on means they went to open the closet. They walked slowly down the hall into the sound of a cold rain. They turned through the doorway to the room, and sound of the storm and thunder, lightning on their faces, blue and terrible. They walked over to the closet door slowly, and stood by it. Behind the closet door was only silence. They unlocked the door even more slowly and let the Margaret out. So finally, the girl who is very eagerly waited to looking at the sun, she never looked back. But other children have seen. So this is a story here. I will summarize the story here. It was a science fiction story that the children in the classroom on the planet Venus are getting ready to see the sun that appears once in 7 years. It has been raining for 7 years. There have been a tidal wave over the islands. 1,000 forests were crushed under the rain and grown up 1,000 times to be crushed again. This is a way of life on the Venus. 7 years ago, the sun came out for an hour, right? The children remembered a warmness like flushing in the faces. They read about the sun. They wrote small stories on the poems on it. The Margaret wrote a poem about the sun, but others did not like it. They teased her. Margaret would play no games with them. The moment they sang about the sun, her lips only she joined the topic about the summer and the sun. She had come to the Venus 5 years ago. She remembered the way the sun was when she was 4 in Ohio, USA. Once a month ago, she refused to shower in the school shower room. She screamed that the water must not touch her. So there was a talk that parents would take her back to the earth the next year. So children hated for all this reason. They did lock in our room. They all go back to the class when the teacher arrives. They just astonished. They are all astonished and wonderstruck to see the sun coming out. It is the color of a flaming bronze. The children rush out of the classroom, turning on their faces up to the sky. They feel like a sun on their cheek, like a warm iron. Iron means a heat. They run among the trees, push each other, and play hide and seek. In the midst of their running, one of the girls Wales shouted. She holds out of the hand, and the rain drop. The sun having faded, and the few cold drops fall on our faces. Their smile vanish away, and they return to the classroom. At once, one of the girls remember Margaret and shouts for her. She walk over to the closet and slowly unlock the door, let the Margaret out. But finally, she didn't. Margaret didn't see them. Um, sun. So this is what story ends here. I would like to tell you to copy down the summary in your classwork ma. One common summary. Thank you ma.